Hello everyone, I am R.A.K.S.H.A of class 8th from SMS Datta Memorial Newsgate Public School, Udham Singh Nagar, Uttarakhand. And today I am here to demonstrate my uh, project, that is Railway Animal Safety Project. So at first let's address the problem. So as we all know, nowadays animal accidents on railway tracks are pretty common problem, and due to it the wildlife faces significant risk. And suppose if an animal collapse with a train, so it get fatal damage to the animal as well as the railway property. And in the case of huge animals like elephant, that is very common in India, it causes the risk to passengers' lives because the train may derail due to that. So uh, it is our problem that wildlife near railway tracks faces significant risk, leading to numerous animal casualties annually. And due to uh, and for fighting to this problem, nothing has been developed till now. And the systems that had developed in the foreign countries are not that much effective. Our project is one step ahead from that. So uh, let's understand my solution. So my solution is a device, means a system. It is that is having a device that will be controlled by a microcontroller. Now suppose this is a train, and here will be the pressure sensor. Here is the display board that will alert the driver, means the pilot. And this display board is having 500-meter or greater distance from the pressure sensor. Now, to detect the animals, means as you all know, the animals like elephant, etc., have are having a specific route. Means they will cross the railway lines from this area. They are having a specific range of 1 to 2 kilometers. So we will set a ultrasonic sensor uh, that can detect the obstacle like animals. So it will be rotated by a servo motor here, and it can rotate and means see up to the range of means what we can say 500 meters or 1 kilometer, etc. Now the distance between sensor and the signboard will be 1 kilometer or greater. It will depend as per our need. And now this will also have a speaker or a buzzer that can produce the specific sound from which the animals uh, scared to come on the railway track. Means it is for extra safety. And due to this display board, the train driver can apply emergency brake if any animal is there. And due to this, the risk of animal collapsing with the train will get reduced. Now, this is our solution. If a train starts from point A, then press a sensor under the track, measure train pressure. A signal will be sent to the microcontroller to scan if an animal is detected on the track through ultrasonic sensor. The buzzer will make a sound to push animal away from the track. The distance between point A and ultrasonic sensor is around 1.5 kilometer or greater, and the signboard with LEDs installed 500 meter away from the point A, etc. etc. Now, what innovation it has? It has innovation to save animal life on track by using ultrasonic sensor, specifically in jungle areas where this type of accidents are pretty common. Now, what makes it unique? It makes it unique by saving animal species, human lives, with simple steps. So, this system is an two-layer protection, you can say, that is most advanced in the system that is used in the foreign countries. Like in Japan, there is a system in which the train is having a specific type of speaker that produce the sound of which the deers are scared away. But in this it is also having a display board, as well as it is having a speaker on that particular area that can be applied when train is 1 or 2 kilometers away from that Pacific route, specific route. So it is a double layer protection. And now this is our brief explanation, and this is the PDF I will send to you. And now from our project, passengers inside the train will also benefit, animals will also benefit, and as well as the railway property. Because if an animal collapsed to the train, it got damage to both passengers and the life of animal. But it also get damage to the railway property like train, or if it may derail from the track, so it can also cause the risk to the track. And if this will done, then the transportation from that route will be stuck. That can lead to economical failure to a specific uh, location. So, what is the positive change will it bring? So, it will save the animal species and save passengers' life from dangerous accidents, etc. And now, let's talk about means how will you turn how will we turn our idea into reality. So by installing the system in near jungle where animal crosses railway track, it will give boost to safety. And we will what steps we will take to apply it. So we have to deal with Indian Railway to install the system nearby jungle where animal tracks is located. Means we totally need the help of Indian Railway to make this innovation a successful solution of this problem. So any supports or resources need, so we need the support from Indian Railway and Indian government to install this problem. So you can see this is a picture of a Vande Bharat train that has launched in 4 to 5 years back, and collision with the cattle on the tracks. It have a collapse with a cow, and it was a very viral news. And like this many newses are there, like you can see this, and this was a major accident in which this elephant was fatally injured, and but the lives of passengers were not risked in that because of the uh, thanks to the driver and the railway community. Now, what is the conclusion? So, the conclusion is that by installing the system, we can protect various animal species and humans' life by reducing train accidents and environmental damage. So, this was my project, and thank you if you means understand it, and if you think that it can be a major step towards this major problem. So, please support.